Hey, welcome! Before I work you through the demo of LeadPal, I just want to tell you a little bit about the product LeadPal. LeadPal is a social lead generation, reminder scheduler, and viral lead generation software. A cloud-based app that can be set up in less than 60 seconds flat. We all know how incredible opt-in forms are for building your email lists, but there is still the work of actually getting a visitor to your website in the first place. Well, until now. Because we've developed a tool that puts opt-in forms right where your user's target audience hangs out. LeadPal creates opt-in links by integrating with various social networks APIs, and no coding is required on your part. LeadPal eliminates the need to drive traffic to an opt-in form by creating opt-in links, a new and easy way for your audience to sign up to your mailing lists from anywhere you can share a link and with the possibility of your content going viral. LeadPal helps you grow your email lists by collecting verified emails with social opt-in links from platforms like Facebook, Apple, Microsoft, Twitter, Amazon, Google, Yahoo, and LinkedIn. This eliminates the collection of fake email addresses, and now you can collect real verified email addresses people used when they create their social accounts. If you sell anything online, these are the most valuable email addresses that you can get, because these are real people who buy and spend money online. Now, let me work you through the app and its amazing features. When you're logged into the LeadPal app, you'll be able to create a campaign and also link this campaign to a LeadPal link or URL. Click here to start creating your new campaign, or click on Campaign here to get started. Next is to create or generate your LeadPal link. And this is the Analytics tab where you'll be able to see the number of leads you've generated, the number of clicks you've got, your created pop-ups, and the email that was sent. And you can also create your reminders here by linking your domain or your website where you want to put these pop-up reminders on. This allows visitors to schedule to be reminded at a later date in order to make a purchase on your website. On the Settings tab, you can generate an HTML code for your autoresponder, if you don't have any of the autoresponders we've directly integrated with. With this, you can sync your leads from LeadPal to your autoresponder automatically. Also, we've integrated with dozens of autoresponders, as you can see here. ActiveCampaign, Aweber, and you can also use Zapier or Webhook to sync your leads to your choice autoresponders. We've got several autoresponder services that you can use here. Let's connect with Aweber so that the leads we collect with LeadPal will sync automatically into my Aweber account. Also, you don't need an autoresponder to use LeadPal. You can always download your leads at any given time. OK, our Aweber has been connected. I'll name this Aweber. I'm going to test the connection and create. The next tab is to refer a friend. This refer a friend feature is responsible for over 1,200 increase in our leads generation. This viral leads feature allows your subscribers to share your content or link with their friends in order to unlock your incentives. This feature alone can more than triple your leads generation. And also, you can access your training guides here. You may not even need it, because this app is pretty easy to use. Your bonuses can be found here, and if you need any product support, you can always reach out to us here. You can select your language here, if English is not your default language. Let's get started by creating a campaign. And let's see if we can get this done in 60 seconds or less. Let's get the timer started. I'll create new campaign and call this Test. I will enter our fallback URL, which is the URL people will see if they don't want to continue to our offer page. We can always customize our social buttons however we want, just like I am doing right now. You can also upload your own logo here. I'll enable the GDPR consent. I'll connect my Aweber for instant lead syncing. And finally, I'll create a campaign. Next is to create my LeadPal link. Click on New Link, and this will be my target URL. I'll select my campaign from the drop-down. If I want to offer a separate downloadable file, I can upload it here. I can also customize how my page will look here. And finally, I'll create my link. Now let's go back to see how much time we have left. Stop the timer. As you can see, we still have 3 seconds left of the 60. Here is our unique URL we can promote to start generating social leads. So I'm just going to click on this link to see what our unique social page is going to look like. Our visitors will be able to opt in using any of their choice social buttons. And all I need to do is click on Continue, and automatically I'll be redirected to the target URL. Here is the target or our landing page we set up earlier. And when you check on LeadPal stats, the subscriber has been synced into our account. We can also see the amount of clicks, impressions, and collected leads. Also, LeadPal allows us to embed our social buttons anywhere on our website. Say I don't want to use this unique URL, or I want to collect only Facebook leads. I can always copy this unique code. I can also do the same for just Twitter buttons. Or I can use the href URL and embed with my custom button. If I want to replace this button URL with LeadPal, I can do so by editing the page, and then paste my link here. So when they click on this button, it will prompt them to opt in using their Twitter account. You can always use the whole code or embed only the URL like I just did with your existing button. Another awesome feature that LeadPal has is the Reminder add-on. First, you'll need to add the website you want to embed the reminder on. Then you can create a pop-up. What this pop-up does is to allow your visitors to schedule when they would like to be reminded to take action on your website, if they cannot at that particular point in time. As you can see, they can also opt in with their social accounts here too. The whole text content can be converted into any language. We have 2 different reminder types to select from. You can always customize how you want your reminder to look. And likewise, you can set how and when it should appear. Next is to enable the reminder to generate our code. This code can be added anywhere on your website. Another awesome feature you'll be getting with your LeadPal purchase is the Refer a Friend feature. When someone opts in, you can offer them an incentive in the backend to refer their friends, in order to unlock the incentives. This has helped increase our leads generation by over 1,200%. Let's start by creating our viral campaign. Next is to add the rewards for the invitee and the referrer. You can customize the rewards email here. You can also do the same for the referrer by giving it a name. Next, select the number of people they can refer before they can unlock the incentive. Say we want them to refer 2 people before they can unlock the incentives. You can also check the unlimited if there's no limit. You can also customize the outgoing emails. Customize how you want the Refer a Friend page to look here. This is the preview of the page, and from here they can get their referral URL or share via social media. Virtually every content you see here can be customized. You can format the color. You can also edit every text here. You can always add more contents here. You can upload your image or ebook cover here. Also, if they don't want to share with their friends, they can always use the skip button to be redirected to your download page or target URL. Here's the social content people will see when it's being shared on social media. Let me quickly add the contents. Then I'll click to save changes. On the Notification tab, this is the welcome email they are going to receive after sign-up, with their shareable links attached and the email they will receive after someone signed up using their link. We can always edit and enable them. We can also do the same to our success email. To see our Refer a Friend in action, I'll edit the LeadPal link and connect both together. This is where to select our Refer a Friend campaign from the drop-down. One outstanding feature of LeadPal is it allows you to upload your lead magnet if you are not using the target URL as your reward or thank you page. Also, we can customize our header content. You can also fetch the target URL meta tag and lastly, we can customize how we want our page background and text to look. Now let's visit our LeadPal URL again. And also, your visitors can customize their GDPR cookie preference here. Let me opt in so you can see the Refer a Friend landing page and the lead magnets downloaded automatically. Here is the page we set up earlier, and I can share with friends to unlock the second incentives. You can also see that the file got downloaded automatically. And after sharing, the target URL opened on a new tab. When I refresh the dashboard, you'll see the lead we just added. And when you visit Facebook, you'll also see what we just posted. When 2 of my friends subscribe through my link, the second incentives will be sent to my email automatically. Also, we can always share from here with any of these social icons. And we can see our Refer a Friend participant stats here, with the lead already added. I'll also log into my email to see the welcome email that was sent to me after sharing on Facebook. Here is the email, and I can also invite more friends. And my referral metrics can be found here. You can also check your leads analytics here. Alright guys, you can see how easy LeadPal is to use, and its potential is limitless when it comes to collecting verified social leads and going viral at the same time. Do get a copy now that you can, and I hope to see you inside the members area. Thank you.